Hello, everyone. My name is Raphael Segismundo, and this is my senior capstone proposals, uh, talking about ways to manage relationships. Um, uh, a little bit of an overview of me. My name is Raphael Segismundo. I attended KCC, then transferred to West Oahu for my 4-year degree, and then I attended the St. Joseph High School in the Philippines. Now I'm majoring in creative media, um, more specifically general creative media, focusing on graphic design and illustration. And the executive summary, we'll be talking about my plans for my senior project, my thesis statement, the objective and rationale of the research conducted by me, and I'll address the significance of the proposed project with my research. So my thesis statement, uh, my, the interpersonal relationships constitute a fundamental aspect of human life, yet their maintenance can be extremely challenging. This research paper presents a comprehensive analysis of various strategies for effectively managing relationships, including but not limited to maintaining stability, ensuring quality, uh, preserving the status quo, repairing relationships, and managing dialectical tensions. The objective and rationale for my research uh, is to help people with their relationships, more specifically, how to manage them. The rationale behind this is to give individuals ways to manage their relationships more effectively, may that be with their family members, friends, or significant other. I will be using artwork uh, that highlight interpersonal relationship strategies as a non-invasive method of communication. And for my senior capstone plans, I'm planning to deliver illustrations that depict the strategies from my research. How does this direction appropriate for the research I've conducted? This direction is appropriate for the research that I've conducted because it's a non-threatening way to communicate sensitive topics. And the significance number 40 to 65-year-old people want to improve their relationships. The problem with people nowadays is that they aren't communicating with each other, thus struggling to maintain their interpersonal relationships. Future implications, um, these strategies will make people work things through with the person they have a relationship with. And significance number 2 is 57% of people 18 and older believe that friendships can develop into loving couples. These strategies gives people options on how to better improve their relationships. The significance of these strategies is to provide different ways of solving problems couples face. Future implications showcasing the different avenues people can go, take, and find a more sustainable solution for them. Here are the datas that I've researched. As you can see, it reflects the significance 1 and 2. And then the target audience for my research or my project is an individual that is struggling with handling their relationship romantically or platonically. The 18 to 65-year-olds, and number 2, relationships with their family members, partners, and friends. Proposed solution. The intellectual significance of my research is that individuals want to improve their relationship with their family, friends, and partner. This project can give them a way to do so. This solves the problem of people not trying to improve their relationship by understanding the person they have a relationship with. The illustrations can be an example to keep trying your best to find ways to improve your relationship. um, Preparation process. The pre-production stage, I will get my iPad and use, use an use a app that's called iArtbook to draw and plan out my illustrations and layouts. Production, I will sketch options, ink them, and color it. And then for the post production, I will post my illustrations on the project Instagram page so that people can see them and interact with them by liking it, commenting on them, and sharing them with others. Here are some of the deliverables or examples of similar uh, Instagram pages that have the similar um, project or method that I wish to have for my own project. There you go. And yeah, thank you.